बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यूनिट नंबर 4 मैटर एंड चेंजेस इन इट्स स्टेट्स। पेज नंबर 50 रीडिंग कंडेंसेशन। द चेंज ऑफ गैसियस स्टेट ऑफ मैटर इनटू इट्स लिक्विड स्टेट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन। When a gas is cooled, its particles lose heat. As a result, their movements slow down, they come closer to each other, and attractive forces between them become stronger. Finally, the gas changes into liquid. During condensation, heat is given out to the surroundings. पानी जब अपनी गैस की हालत से वापस लिक्विड में आता है तो उसे कंडेंसेशन कहते हैं। Role of evaporation and condensation in the water cycle. Sea, river, lake, canal, pond, etc. are called water bodies. The transfer of water from water bodies to the atmosphere and its return back is called water cycle. The sun shines on the water bodies, makes the water evaporate into the atmosphere in the form of vapors. जितनी भी वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं, सी, रिवर, लेक वगैरह, इन सब पर जब सूरज की रोशनी पड़ती है तो पानी जो है वो इवेपोरेट होता है और ये वेपर्स की फॉर्म में चला जाता है। इवेपोरेशन ऑल्सो टेक्स प्लेस फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, ट्रांसपायरेशन एंड सरफेस ऑफ स्नो ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 51 mountains. As these vapors rise up, they lose energy and condense into water droplets. At a certain height, these water droplets gather in the air and form clouds. The water droplets in the clouds get heavier and heavier, and the air cannot hold them anymore. The water then falls down in the form of rain and snow. The rainwater again flows to the rivers, streams, lakes, canals, and sea. In this way, water is always moving in a cycle. The processes of evaporation and condensation are involved in the water cycle. Water goes through its three phases: liquid, solid, gas, as it cycles in the earth system. It evaporates from plants as well as land and water surfaces into the atmosphere, and after condensing in clouds returns to the earth as rain and snow. Forms of moisture in the environment. Water is always present in the air in the form of water vapors. When there is smoke and dust in the cold climate, these water vapors appear as fog. Next, page number 52. Early in the morning, when the temperature falls down, the water vapors present in the air get together to form tiny droplets. These droplets can be seen on leaves and flowers as dew. Water vapors in the air are the gaseous state of water. At certain height, water vapors in the air condense to form water droplets, liquid state due to cold. The presence of water droplets in the air forms cloud. In severe winter, the water present in the atmosphere freezes to form snow on the mountains and a layer of frost on the surface of ponds and lakes. Do reading page number 50, 51 and 52 and learn.